think for the rest of this year, what you really want to see is I'd be watching for, do we kind of maintain kind of a normal seasonal patterns? We're not looking for a big jump in the Q4 and Q1. The winter months are always slow in our business, but you really just want to maintain, right? And so what you want to be looking for is there any sign that the winter could be worse than normal? That would be a concern. I think as we get into next year, I don't think we're really going to know the direction of the market until we get to the spring. And leasing activity really picks up seasonally in March and in April. And so I think at that point you really want to be watching carefully the leasing traffic numbers, the occupancy numbers, your move outs, and then you'll get with less supply at that point as well. I think that'll really tell us if we're going to be picking up. My expectation for next year is I do think that that next year should be much better for apartment operators than this year was. Obviously, there's going to be a lot less supply. That should allow these units to start to fill up, and as occupancy rates recover, that should allow us to see more rent growth. I don't think it'll be anything like what we saw at the height of the craziness, but I think that we could see rent growth normalize in the 3 to 4% range in 26 and potentially be higher in 2027. But obviously, it's all contingent on the economy remaining in good shape as well, and that's a big if. But if that happens, I think that we should see better times for apartment owners over these next couple of years.